Hi guys, I'm going to repaint this painting by Bianca Roman-Stumpff. You can check her out on Instagram. She's a super cool artist. I found her in a store in Orlando. So I'm going to go ahead and create this and let's see what goes on. Using my Mehron Paradise AQ paints, I'm going to go ahead and start laying down the blue base. The blue is a little bit streaky, but I'm going to go back and layer it and go over it. Now I'm going in with the yellow paint and filling in the base for that. Our two colors are going to be blue and yellow, and that way we're going to have the base for all of the other shading we could do on top of that. I'm going back with the black to add some depth to the blue. I mix some white and blue body paint to base out the lighter ends of the blue. The white makes the paint a little bit more opaque. Now I'm going in with white and adding highlights to the paint we already did, and kind of blending the colors together so it's not like color blocking. I'm also starting the clouds by kind of sketching it in with white paint, and then I'm going to fill them in and add the shading. Again, I'm starting the color fill by blocking it in, and then I'll add the depth and the highlights. Since the clouds aren't all the same, I used orange paint for some and yellow paint for some others. In the clouds, I'm going to use my shading with brown body paint, and a little bit of dark orange in the yellow clouds. Some of them are even blue. Think of a cloud being lit up by a thunderstorm. You'll have the dark parts and the part getting lit up by the lightning. Now I'm taking white and filling in the highlights again to get those really crispy edges. The lips in the painting were shaded really graphically, so I tried to follow that as best I could. If you had fun and learned something from this video, subscribe and leave a comment.